So class 9th, class 9th. We are studying the lesson why do we fall ill? Why do we fall ill? Why do we fall ill? We are studying this lesson, and we have to study today about the peptic ulcer. Peptic ulcers. Peptic ulcers. And this is the peptic ulcer. Peptic ulcer, it is the painful bleeding. This is the peptic ulcer. It is the painful bleeding. Painful bleeding in stomach and duodenum. Initially, it was thought that this peptic ulcer was due to a stressful life condition. It is lifestyle. If stressful lifestyle is there, more acid is secreted, and that causes the peptic ulcer. But two scientists named Marshall and Warren told that it is not a lifestyle disease, but it was due to the bacterium named as Helicobacter pylori. Name Helicobacter pylori. This is the bacteria and which is responsible for the disease. Helicobacter pylori. This is a bacterium which is causative agent of the peptic ulcer. So now we have to see some questions which are given in your book. So we have to see these questions. And first, so you have to see page number 178. Page number 178. Page number 178. And in this page number 178, we have to see some questions. One question is there. The state any two conditions essential for good health. Question number first. State any two conditions essential for good health. So, two conditions. So we are writing two conditions. Two conditions essential for good health are. What are the two conditions which is essential for the good health? One is the clean surrounding. This is the as a general. First, clean surroundings. This one is the reason. Clean surrounding or better sanitation. Better sanitation. Better sanitation. First reason, clean surrounding or better sanitation, and second one is the balanced diet. Second is the balanced diet. Balanced diet. If we are taking the balanced diet and we make the surrounding neat and clean, so we can protect ourselves from the disease. This is the general way. This is the general way for protection from the disease. Two method I told you. One is general way and other the specific way. So this method, the conditions protect us from almost all type of disease. If we are taking the balanced diet, our immune system will be more and more strong, and by which we can protect our body from the pathogens, and also we may not face the nutritional diseases as the disease takes place due to the scarcity of the carbohydrate, scarcity of the protein, scarcity of the minerals, scarcity of the vitamins, etc. etc. So in this way, two conditions. One is clean surroundings. If our surrounding is clean, there is the actually surrounding is dirty, then attracts so many microbes that are the breeding sites for the mosquitoes and flies. And if water is stagnant water is there, then stagnant water may provide the breeding site for the mosquitoes, and mosquitoes are the carrier for the different type of the diseases. So in this way, these are the methods, general method by which we can protect our body from the pathogens. And second question, we have to see the second question. State any two conditions essential for being free of disease. So one is state any two conditions essential for being free of disease. So one is living in. So we have to write in such a way, two conditions essential for two conditions. So we can write two conditions essential for being free of disease. For being free of disease, or what are these things? Living in hygienic environment. First, living in environment. And second, vaccination. Second one is vaccination against the pathogen. Second, vaccination. Vaccination against common infectious diseases. Vaccination against common infectious diseases. So, two conditions essential for being free of disease are: one is living in hygienic environment. Means hygienic environment means that clean environment. Hygienic environment. Second, vaccination against the common infectious disease. So two things is there. As I told you that the vaccination is done to make us immune from a particular disease. Vaccine is pathogen specific. So in this way, two ways: one is living in hygienic environment, another is vaccination against the common infectious diseases. By so these are the two conditions essential for being free of disease. So two question reasons are the second, third question we can write. Are the answers to the above questions necessary the same or different way? Actually, both are interconnected. Third, actually both are interconnected. What question asking? Are the answer to the above questions necessarily the same or different? Both are interconnected but different. Both are interconnected but different because being disease free, because being disease free, being disease free does not mean the healthy. Does not mean the healthy. So in this way we can write the answer of the three questions. So you see page number 78 and write the three answer. Thank you. That's not today.